Hi everyone! So I feel like I went on so many trips this past summer and I just always had my makeup bag packed. I literally used the same thing for months. There was one time I tried out different things, but I did specify that in those posts. Literally every single thing that I'm about to show you guys, I've been using this for the past few months. I decided why not just show you guys. So I've been back from my last trip about a month ago and I still have everything in there because when I came back I just didn't want to touch anything. I was so tired of traveling, so I just kind of left everything in the bag, and since they were already things that I always used and I always kind of did the same makeup look, I decided to just leave it in there. But I wanted to show you guys because I do want to switch things out. I got a bunch of new stuff and I want to try out new things, so I just want to put everything away. But before I do, I wanted to film this and show you guys. So this is my makeup case right here, and some of the people I've traveled with says that this is a lot. This is literally the minimum for me. If you guys know me, I'm also a makeup artist, so I just need everything. I had to take out my lash box and my handheld mirror. I mean, I usually just throw these in my carry-on bag anyway. My number one tip is to bring your makeup with you on the plane. A lot of people always tell me they didn't know that they could bring their makeup on the plane. You can if it meets like the little bag limit, but honestly, like sometimes I kind of go over. But it honestly depends, because there was one time the TSA guy was being a real a-hole and he literally took out my lip glosses, my mascaras, my gel liners. He was like, you can throw it away or you could go check it, and it was just way too much. I was trying to fit it all into a quart-sized bag and I was like, no, it was just gonna cost too much for me to replace these things. Ever since that, like, I've always been prepared. Like, I packed everything perfectly into a quart-sized bag in case I come across another one of those TSA agents. Like, I'm ready. Foundations are 1 ounce, but it's just that sometimes the container is so big that it takes up a lot of space in your quart-sized bag. So you just have to figure it out. But overall, whatever it is, even if you have to put it in little jars, bring your makeup on the plane. If not your makeup, at least your brushes. That's the most expensive. Clothes and shoes and accessories is so much easier to replace. Makeup is the hardest to replace. The worst thing that can happen is that you're on vacation and you lose your bag. And yeah, I don't know who needed to hear that, but that was just a little PSA for you guys. If you guys don't already bring your makeup on, because trust me, there's a lot of people who don't bring their makeup on. So the makeup case, this is from a brand called Beis. You know, I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right. It's a brand by Shay Mitchell. This is the makeup case. I forgot what it's called, but this is the big one. I bought this back in the spring. Like, the website has changed, so I don't know if this one's available. I don't remember what color this is, but I don't love this. I just have it because it gets the job done. But honestly, like, I really hate like the texture. Like, I don't know if you guys can even tell, but it has like this shade and it's dirty. And you know, I probably shouldn't have gotten a tan one, but I didn't want the black one. I wanted the tan one, but now they have a patent leather and I would have chose the patent leather one instead. Yeah, like, I don't love it, like I said, but it gets the job done and whatever. It is what it is. I spent the money already, so I'm just gonna make use of it. I like really stuffed this. Like, it's like Tetris in here. There's a little mirror, and I'll take out that mirror in a bit. Up top here, there's this little thing that's magnetic right here, so it just goes back right here and it flips back and forth, and you can also take it off if you want to. So there's this little mirror, and this is really nice, especially if you're gonna do your makeup at the airport. I just think it's super convenient. I like to use a mirror like far from me, and then I like to use my little handheld one up close for details. If you don't use a handheld one, and if you need to do your makeup in front of a big mirror, like I know a lot of girls do. I've traveled with a bunch of girls before, and like 90% of the girls need a big mirror, but I promise you it'll change your makeup game if you just do one like up close. It'll change your whole makeup game. So this one is a decent size. It's kind of dirty, but yeah, so it folds back like that, so it just sits like on a table. So you're like at a hotel, you could put it on a coffee table, whatever it is. I just think that this is super convenient. This is supposed to be for brushes. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. All of my brushes are in here. I usually zip it up, but I used my sponges today, so usually when they're dry, I can just stuff it in here and close it, but my sponges are wet, so I had to leave it open to dry. So this part is supposed to be for brushes, but I mean, this is not enough space for me for my brushes, so this is perfect for my pencils. So this side has like my eyeliners and this side has my lip liner, so I'm just gonna run through it super fast and show you guys what I have in here. Benefit 24-hour brow setter, my Sigma brow pencil, Teddy Eye Kohl from MAC, It Cosmetics brow pencil, Urban Decay Double Life brown liner from Makeup Forever, NYX eyebrow pencil, and NW25 liner from MAC. I really hate editing talking videos. They just take forever because, you know, I have to cut out everything. I'm gonna try to go through it as fast as possible. My mascara in here, I don't love this. I just have it, and it's not waterproof, so I'm just using it until it runs out because I don't want to just waste it and throw it away. But this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Waterproof. It's not waterproof. Strip Down Liner from MAC, Oak Lip Liner, Costa Riche Eye Kohl. It's in the wrong section. Cork Lip Liner, Whirl Lip Liner, and this one is Laura Mercier Rich Mauve Lip Liner. So that's what's on this side right here, and you can close it up. And then there's also a little zipper compartment back here too. Now we're just gonna jump right in. This is in a Makeup Forever bottle, but it's actually Smashbox primer water in here. My little powder mix, Aftermath lipstick from Dose of Colors, Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, a new Dose of Colors concealer. I've been playing around with these. My Shoot or More eyelash curler, always a must. Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Foundation. I have two colors in here. When I was traveling in the summer, I was super tan, so I have 4W1 Maple and 3W1 Dusk. My little brow palette from Pop Beauty. Another Dose of Colors concealer in 07. My MAC Pro Longwear, I use this as eyeshadow primer. My face primer, Pores No More by Dr. Brandt. My little spray bottle with some alcohol to spot clean my brushes. Dose of Colors, I Love Sarai Soulmate highlighter. This makes your skin look wet, so I love using this when I'm on vacation. My Urban Decay All Nighter spray because, I mean, you just need it for that extra security. Dose of Colors lip gloss in Just My Type. Jouer concealer in Wheat. Dose of Colors foundation in 115. Becca under eye brightening concealer, and this thing is amazing. If you guys haven't tried this yet, you have to try it out. Lancome Dazzling Bronze Dual Finish highlighter. I love using this when I'm a little bit more tan. Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick foundation, and this is a darker one. I use this one to contour. Sigma medium brow pomade. My little sharpener from MAC. My arm's getting tired now. Okay, so this is the perfect eyeshadow palette to travel with. This one is called the Minimalist Eyeshadow Palette from LC Cosmetics. And this literally just has everything that you could need. So I love using this, and I just use this to create like shadows in my eyes, and then if I need more, I just use bronzers, and then if I need something shimmery, I just use my highlighters. A Dose of Colors Hey Girl lipstick, Jouer concealer in dark ochre, lipstick from Laura Mercier in the color Brun Pale. And this one is like a pinky nude. Pixie matte lipstick in the color Prettiest Pink. No Shade lipstick from Dose of Colors. Kylie Cosmetics Kimmy lipstick. My Inglot Duraline mixing liquid for my brow products. Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I love using this to just contour my nose and a little bit on my eyes as well. Kylie Cosmetics Kylie matte lipstick. Guerlain lip gloss in the shade Terracotta. My Ride or Die Ofra highlighter. This is so embarrassing, but I love this thing so much. It's my ride or die. I use this for my body, my face, my eyes. Like, this is my favorite highlighter. It's amazing. This one is the Rodeo Drive highlighter from Ofra Cosmetics. MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade C2. MAC Studio Fix powder in NW45. I use this to contour. I use shade C4 to set my contour when I use cream contour. My favorite bronzer, Ride or Die bronzer, is Give Me Sun by MAC. And I like to use this one to set my contour and like sometimes bronze with. This is the Jouer Soft Focus Hydrate Set Powder in the shade Tan. I also love using this on my eyes as well. For blush, I've been using this one for almost 2 years now, and I just cannot stop. And I feel like I barely made a dent in it. This one is the Dose of Colors Mint For You collection, and this one is called State Mint Blush. So this one has been my ride or die blush for almost 2 years. It's pretty dirty in here. Yeah, it's just, you know, this is the honest truth. So there's two little pockets up here. I have my tweezers in there, and then I have my Kiss eyelash glue. I don't love this glue. It just gets the job done. It's easy access. It doesn't irritate my eyes because Duo makes my eyes really itchy and watery. But yeah, this one just gets the job done. It's not my favorite. I don't love it, but like I said, it gets the job done. So I have it in the clear and in the dark one as well, and then my little scissors. All right, so I hope that I zoomed through that as fast as I possibly could. So let's move on to brushes. In here I have my sponges. I've been loving the Dose of Color sponge. And then my little one is from the Morphe and Jeffree Star collection. So these brushes are just so dirty, like, because I just used them, but you know, I'm just going to show you guys. I'm just going to give you guys a brief overview of what I use. I try to clean them like at least every 5 uses, like my own personal brushes. I try to clean them at least every 5 times. And I do use every single one of these brushes. Like, yes, I do. I use every single one. And every single one is so important. And these are the ones that I had to narrow it down to travel with. So I travel with every single one, and I need every single one. I just can't help it. I mean, you know, you don't need this much, but I am a little spoiled, so each one has its own purpose. Like, I don't use one brush for like 3 things, which I wish I could, but I just can't. So it fits in this little bag perfectly. This was from Morphe. I think it came with one of their little sets, and it just fits everything perfectly right in there. So it doesn't look like there's that much once it's in here, but yeah. All right, so that is it. I hope that I zoomed through everything as quickly as possible, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick little overview of things that I bring when I travel, and this has pretty much been my favorites all year long. Like, if I were to do favorites of 2019, it would literally be every single product that I just showed here, because I feel like I've been using all of these for pretty much the whole entire year, but I just put it all into one bag since May. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I just wanted this to be a really quick and fun video for you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all later. Bye!